This is called a muscle up. और आज की पनिशमेंट है कि मुझे 50 muscle ups करना है. Let's go. मसल अप में ना बॉडी ऐसे कर्व में जाती है ऊपर, तो बार अगर ऑलरेडी बाहर होगा तो चेस्ट पहले ही हट जाती है तुम्हारी जाते. तो अब अपने पास ऑप्शन है कि घर जाके किया जाए, घर वाले बार पे, तो चाहे शाम हो जाए, चार्ज करने हैं तो करने हैं.
Believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and say to yourself, it's not over until I win.
If you stay in bed, if you stay on the couch, if you stay in your comfort zone, if you only do what is easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what is hard, if you get up, if you grind, if you are relentless, if you work as hard as possible, when other people are slacking off, your life will be easy.
There's always someone out there working harder than you. I'm haunted by that motherfucker. Knowing that someone out there is willing to forgo personal desires and comforts, forgo sleep, forgo whatever it takes to be better, to be the best. In life, a lot of times, we'll always have that person out there. There may not be a name or a face to him, but he exists. You make sure in life when you think about that person, you make sure they put a name and face to it. You make sure the name and face is yours. You do the haunting. Get in somebody's head. Own space. And those times when you want to quit, because we're all human, you make sure you remember one thing. All those times, hours, days, you sacrifice to be the best. Stay hard.
At the end of the day, you've got to feel some way. So why not feel unbeatable? Why not feel untouchable? Why not feel like the best to ever do it?
So I had this conversation with this guy the other day, and he was making a lot of good points, it seemed. He was saying that you don't need to get up early in the morning, and that working out early in the morning isn't that big of a deal, and it's better to do it later in the day. And, you know, I said, well, what if something comes up and I miss the workout that day? And he's like, told me that it's not that. It's nothing major, you don't need to worry about it. And he cited some scientific sources and whatnot. The guy was making a lot of good points, and I was almost going to listen to him, but then I realized the guy that I was talking with was myself, and he was a liar. Don't let your weak voice run things. Step up, do what you got to do. Have a good Monday, y'all. Go get some. Out.
You are not going to get anywhere in this world. You're not going to get anywhere financially, spiritually, socially, or otherwise until you get to that point where you don't give a damn about what other people think about you.
The hardest things are usually the best. If it's easy, leave it to somebody else.
You want to be great? You need to sacrifice. The more painful the sacrifice, the greater you'll be.
I sacrifice everything that I have. I will sleep, train, eat, repeat, and that's it.
To get anything of value, you have to sacrifice.
What are you willing to give up? What are you willing to sacrifice?
It's necessary to know that everybody won't see it, that everybody won't join you, that everybody won't have the vision. It's necessary to know that a lot of people like to complain, but they don't want to do anything about their situation. That you are an uncommon breed.
पार्क में सुबह मैंने 4-5 रेप्स करे, उसके बाद भाई मेरे से लगे ही ना, वो 4-5 रेप्स मारने में भी इतनी मुश्किल हो गई. मैं थोड़ा सा डाउट में आ गया कि मैं कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मेरे से मसल अप ही नहीं हो रहे. बट एक्चुअल में मुझ में कमी नहीं थी, कमी थी बार में. बार वो कर्व था, तो जैसे ही मैं ऊपर जाता था मेरी चेस्ट बार पे लग जाती थी. लाइफ में भी ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि जब हमें वो चीज़ें नहीं मिलती जो हमें चाहिए, तो हम या तो खुद को ब्लेम करने लग जाते हैं या फिर सामने वाले को. बट हम सर्कमस्टांसेस समझने की कोशिश नहीं करते. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि सर्कमस्टांसेस अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं होते. बिफोर यू स्टार्ट टू डिस्करेज योरसेल्फ, फर्स्ट एनालाइज द सिचुएशन. दिस इज द लेसन फ्रॉम टुडेज पनिशमेंट. दिस इज इट फॉर टुडे. आई विल सी यू गाइस टुमारो विद अ न्यू पनिशमेंट.